Hello again, YouTube. Returning again for part two of the new esoteric box sets I've got of the 70s underground sounds. Now we go to the sounds of 1973, Wind of Change, of course. And here we have Camel, Kevin Ayers, Emerson, Lake and Palmer, Family, Traffic, PFM or Premiata Forneria Marconi, Electric Light Orchestra, Caravan, Robert Calvert, Man, Greenslade, Delway's Wolf, Badger, Beggar's Opera. Oh, we have John Lees, Manfred Mann's Earth Band, Joe Lindsay, Edgar Broughton Band, Rarebird, Nectar, Budgie, Pink Fairies, Curved Air, Arthur Brown's Kingdom Come here again, Caravan. Oh, I mean, I already said Caravan, but Gong, Procol Harms here too. Pete Seinfeld, Stray, and who else? And Tempest and Renaissance. So another fine set here. And that'll be it for number 2. I'll be leaving a link to my last video and also the links to my first 4 books available for purchase on Amazon in the description below. And to all YouTube, have a good day.